Hi, so we are from Team Avocado, introducing you to a hassle-free life with our portable automatic iron and dryer. So initially, our problem was that every morning, most people, we especially as university students, have to spend around 15 to 30 minutes ironing our clothes piece by piece. And sometimes when you try to rush, the clothes get burnt, which can lead you to a sad day. So, as a solution for our problem, we thought of designing an automatic ironing and a drying chamber where you don't have to be physically present. Instead, your clothes get ironed automatically, and even wet clothes get dried automatically. So, this design is useful for both students and also office workers who need to iron their clothes and also to dry their clothes quickly with their busy schedules. So through this design, we are trying to provide you with 4 benefits. So the first one is that you are able to iron several clothes at once, not just one after the other as you do manually. And secondly, you have an automatic temperature control based on the type of the fabric. And also this can save your time and energy and also less stressful. So I'll start introducing you to our design. So first I must say that this is a portable structure where you can move here and there, and it has a steamer and a heating motor machine at the bottom of our apparatus as shown. And this is made up of 12 steel tubes. It's cuboid in shape. It has steel hangers inside where you can hang the clothes. And also it's made up of a cover rack, which is made of Oxford cloth, which is foldable and also heat resistant. Uh, yeah.
So let's start with the features of this prototype. First is the steamer and heater. So the prototype that we are making will have the steaming and also the heating technology for both drying the wet clothes and ironing the clothes. It has a cover rack which has steam vapor releaser on the top. The steamer and heater machine motor will has a pot to add water at the bottom of this machine. So basically, this machine motor has dual function, steaming for ironing and heating for drying. When drying the clothes, the steamer won't use the water. It will just dry the clothes with hot air through the heating system. Next is the controller. The cycle of drying or ironing can be started or monitored using the controller. This controller will have the key for controlling the temperature and the timer. We can control the temperature appropriately based on the fabric, and it also has auto stop power protection to prevent from overheating.
So these are the other features. It has a cover rack that made up of Oxford cloth, which is waterproof and foldable. The entire structure is foldable, so easy for moving and storing. It has a zip inside to open and close the chamber. It also there is also a steel rod to hang clothes. So this is the assembling process. The product needs to be assembled as shown in the video. First, must set all the long rods in the position on the base of the structure where you have the steam and hot air machine motor followed by the sidebars as illustrated. Then, cover rack must be attached from the back of the apparatus as shown, which is made of Oxford cloth. Lastly, must add the front part which has a zip. So this is the functioning process. It has both steam and heating function. Once the structure is assembled, if you want to remove the wrinkles of the clothes, just need to add some water in the water container. For steaming purpose, turn on the steamer mode and connect it to the power to let the steamer work. Same goes for heating purposes. Turn on the heating mode and let the heating works. Then for drying purposes, the hot air mode will be turned on automatically. Once the clothes are done, there will be alarm sound heard. Additionally, as we all have mentioned earlier, the temperature and the time can be controlled by the controller.
So to sum up all the features, we have the steamer or the heating machine at the motor machine at the bottom of the design, which has the steaming and the heating technology for both drying wet clothes and ironing the clothes. And also at the top of the cover rack, you have this porous surface which release the steam outside. And at the bottom, you have a port to add water. And also, when drying the clothes, the steamer won't use water. We'll just dry the clothes with the hot air produced by the steam heating motor. And we mentioned about the Oxford cloth before, which makes the cover rack surrounding the steel rods. And this design is portable, as we highlighted, and because it weighs around 4.2 kilograms, and the dimensions, it is around 148 centimeters in height and 50 centimeters in breadth and 70 centimeters in width. Additionally, you get a controller to control the temperature appropriately based on the fabric. And also it has an auto stop power protection, which prevents from overheating. So thank you so much. We find this as a great option for you to make your life easier.